Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is 3 workout moves to get you shredded. So this is the exact workout routine I've been doing for several months now, and I'm doing this exact workout 2 to 3 days a week, and I'm also running 2 to 3 days a week. So I'll generally work out 2 or 3 days, then I'll have a rest day, 2 or 3 days, then a rest day, alternating between this workout and a run. The run I do is around 3 to 5 miles, and this workout takes about 20 minutes or so. So it's very simple. There's 3 moves. I'm going to show you what they are. I'm going to be doing 2 rounds, but I'm just going to show you 1 round. So all I do is I do 3 moves and then I repeat them. So it's 6 sets total, super simple, and this is going to help get you shredded. But the other piece of that is that the diet is involved. So eating lots of carbohydrate-rich foods, lots of fruits and vegetables, especially focusing on fruit and having big green salads. It's got to be the main part of the diet if you want to have good results. All right, so the first move we're going to do here is going to be pull-ups. And I have a pull-up bar here. If you can't do pull-ups, you can start with a band, an assist band, which you can get. They're pretty cheap, and those are things you can stand on that helps you do pull-ups. It helps support part of your weight. And then once you get stronger at doing pull-up assist, doing pull-ups with the assist band, then you can move on to pull-ups. So first move is going to be pull-ups. I go for max reps because it's only going to be 3 sets. So every set that I do, it's going to be max reps, and here we go. All right, just finished my first set, which was pull-ups. Went for max reps. At the end, I couldn't quite get one, so I was able to do a half of a pull-up at the end. That's what I recommend with this type of workout. Go for as many as you can. Now you want to take a few minutes rest in between the sets, so you have some recovery time, and so I can catch my breath. So take a few minutes between each of these sets, and we'll get on to the next set. All right, set number 2 is going to be push-ups, and you can do these from your knees if you can't quite do a good amount of push-ups yet. So start from your knees if you need to, work your way up to regular push-ups, and here we go. Okay, last set is going to be jump squats, and I'm going to go for probably around 40 of these. And if you don't want to jump, you can just squat down. You can, if you want to add weight, you can get a weight, but I'm just doing no weights here. So we're going for 40 jump squats. All right, that was it. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Check out my other playlists. I have what I eat in a day, workout routines, a bunch of different videos I made. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And I hope everyone has a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.